Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I am so excited because we are finally heading back into IKEA to go shopping for the first time in months. I have missed IKEA so much. You guys probably missed IKEA too, and they finally opened back up so I can go check out all their new stuff in there and show you around as well. I'm specifically going in today to look for some new outdoor decor, so I know they just released all their new outdoor patio collection, so they have decor, furniture, umbrellas, lighting, all of that. So I really want to check out all their new stuff because I'm working on a really cool backyard makeover, so you guys will see that coming soon on my channel once I have everything together and ready to go. But in the meantime, we've got some shopping to do. So I have my hand sanitizer, my mask, everything to go to shop safely inside IKEA. I know they probably reconfigured the store a bit and maybe added some barriers, so things might be different. So I'll show you that as well so you're prepared for when you go. But anyways, if you enjoy watching today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up before we get started, and make sure you guys watch right to the end because I'll probably do like a little haul to show you what I found. So there's no lineup getting in here, and right when you walk in, they have this entire outdoor setup display and it shows all of their really great new products. I am just so drawn to this tiny picnic table that's $49. I think it's so cute if you have kids. You can put it in your backyard. I'm also really drawn to these tiles. These are outdoor floor tiles for a backyard, a patio, a balcony. They display all of their little things set up as you would use them, so it's really easy to get an idea of what everything's gonna look like. I love their color schemes this year. They have a lot of neutrals, woods, black and white items, which I really love. So this little setup here had all these really great organizers. This is some outdoor organizer to really have all of your bowls, plates, barbecue utensils. I never really think about using this kind of stuff outside, but if you're a really outdoorsy family, you spend a lot of time cooking outside, this type of thing would be really great to organize your kitchen stuff. Over here on this table, I am so drawn to this little beverage jug. I think it's so cute. It's a new item here and I can't wait to find it in the marketplace. I never thought of IKEA as being a place to buy a barbecue or a grill, but they do have items like this. This is a $200 charcoal grill, and I think it's a really affordable find if you want to create an outdoor kitchen space in your backyard. So if you're wondering how IKEA has changed since quarantine, this is one of the only things I really saw that changed. There's barriers up between these different designing sections so that you can design your kitchen safely and spend a while there. Now, I don't think this is an outdoor item, but I definitely think it could be. These two black and white chairs are new here. They're called the Ogla chair and they're $89. They're more of like a plastic material, but I think they're a really cute kind of bistro style seating. And I also found these really cute high chairs for anybody that's looking for a good looking high chair. These ones are super cute. Down in the market hall, I found these beautiful jars. These are the ones that I saw right when I walked in, and they're $14.99 each, which I've seen these jugs multiple times in different stores and they're so much more expensive. They also have this little stand sold separately and you can prop the jar up on top of there and really use it properly, so I love this combination. I always love checking out the dishware at IKEA. I'm a huge fan of IKEA dishware, and these two sets are new here. I love the earthy colors of them. They're like stone, very muted and modern, and I think these would look amazing on some open shelving. So if you're looking for some new sets, here are some really beautiful ones. I think a lot of people don't realize that IKEA sells some really great twinkle lights. They have all of this selection, some really kind of funky ones. This middle section is usually my favorite. Really affordable, really beautiful lighting, as well as these ones down here. I also wanted to check out all of their new front door mats, their jute rugs. They have really great new patterns. This one right here is definitely my favorite. I love this black and white stripe. It looks very modern and neutral. This rug is $29.99 and it's a 2x4 rug, so that's a really great price. They also have all of these different front door mats, so much selection for like a mudroom front door situation. I always love going through their faux plants and their faux flower section. I've specifically had my eye on this faux olive tree for a long time now. I've never seen it in real life. This is the first time seeing it in stores. It's $45 and I think it looks pretty good. Let me know down below what you guys think of this faux olive tree, because I know some look really fake, some look pretty good. It looks a lot better when you expand all the different stems and make it look really full. But comment down below what you guys think so I can make a decision. If you guys like it and approve of it, I might go back and get it. Now onto one of my favorite little sections at IKEA, the lantern section. I feel like not too many people know about this, but they have amazing lanterns here. This one is definitely my favorite. It's the most expensive one. It's $39.99, but it looks the most expensive and beautiful. This is kind of second best to it, and it's a really, really great price, $7.99. They also have it in white, and they have a larger size of it as well. I also like that IKEA has these battery operated lights, because I'm definitely going to pick up a few of these. They have them in singles, and then they have this double set. I think they also have a triple set as well, but I checked out this sign and they have this really great comparison between the two. So some of these are good for outdoors, some are good for indoors, some have a self timer, so there's different options. They also sell batteries on the side, so that's a great thing. But anyways, moving down into the kind of warehouse section, they have more outdoor furniture on display here. These little bistro sets are such a great price, and I think they look amazing. The chair's $30, the table's $60, so it's a really affordable, easy way to furnish a small space. This picnic basket is something I've had my eye on for so long now. It has a cooler inside and it's just such a cute design. I've never seen a picnic basket with a cooler, so I think this is a really amazing idea and it looks super cute. It's $45 and it's in the outdoor section. I love going in stores and seeing these products with my own eyes. I've had my eye on these two chairs as well. I love the black Muskoka chair. I love this really cool modern white chair. It's $89, which is a really great price for an outdoor piece of furniture, and there's just so much variety here. I'm even seeing this little $40 half table, really great for a tiny balcony or small space, and they also have these really great bar height outdoor furniture pieces. So they have this set in black. It's really heavy in my opinion. I tried to move it, but that could be a good thing or a bad thing. And then this wooden set, which I think looks so expensive and high end, such a cool item, and I think a really great idea for kind of an adult bar outdoor space. I found some really great products today. Let's head home and I'll show you guys what I found. Alright, so I'm back from IKEA with all my things, and I got quite a few little accessories for the backyard space I'm working on. I didn't get any furniture just because a lot of the stuff was picked over already. Some things weren't in stock anymore, so I'm going to check out a different location to see what they have. But anyways, IKEA was pretty good post-quarantine. They didn't have a lineup going in. There was a really long line for exchanges and returns. Those are probably people that bought stuff online, so definitely was glad I wasn't in that line. And then they had a bunch of giant tents outside that not really sure what they were doing in there either, but the store looked pretty much the same. There wasn't too many people inside, and at all those little service stations they just had barriers. So anyways, I have a few things to show you guys. I hope this helps if you're looking for similar items. Everything was a really great price and really useful. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what I got. Let's start with these two because I think these might be my favorite little finds. I got two of these jars. They were $14.99 each, and I saw them as soon as I walked into IKEA, and I thought they were beautiful. They're so easy to add some beverage to through the top lid, and they have this nice little nozzle that's actually like pretty stiff, so that means you won't get any drip coming out. So this is glass, if you can hear that, and it just seems like a really nice quality. It's not too large, and it was a really great price compared to other jugs that I've seen like this. So I also picked up these little stands that I saw with it, because sometimes if you buy these on their own, you're gonna have to like drag it to the end of your table to be able to put a cup underneath. But if you have a stand like this, you can put it anywhere on your table and put your drink underneath, and there's enough room. So I grabbed 2 of these. I thought it would look really nice outside, plus it's a functional item. As you probably saw in the video, IKEA has so many lanterns. They even have more than they ever have right now. So if you're looking for lanterns for your backyard space or your indoor space, check IKEA out, because they have really great prices and a lot of selection. So I picked up 2 of these black glass lanterns. These are the Borby lanterns, and it's the smallest size they have. This one was $7.99, which is just unbeatable for this kind of lantern. It has a little door you can open where you can put a real candle in. You can put a battery operated candle. I'm going to be adding so many different lanterns to the backyard makeover I'm working on, so I definitely knew I wanted to go to IKEA to pick up some there. So I got 2 of these small ones, and I haven't unboxed this yet, but I got the larger one as well. So the larger one is, I'm pretty sure, like double the size. It's a lot bigger, and it's $19.99, which still, for that large of a lantern, it's a really great price. It comes in this box. The larger one you have to set up, but I remember doing it and it's not too hard. And to go inside of all these lanterns, I also picked up some battery operated candles. They had a large selection of battery operated candles there. You just have to kind of read through and see which ones you would want. I picked up these ones because they are safe to go outside, and they also have a timer on them, so you don't have to go around the backyard and turn all the candles off. They actually are timed to do it themselves, so that is definitely a major selling point. These ones are the Godafton candles, and they come with 1 large one and 1 small one. So I picked up 3 boxes of these, so I have 6 candles to use for all my lanterns, and they all take AAA batteries. So I also grabbed some batteries. If you're gonna get anything that requires batteries, might as well pick them up at the same time. So I've never bought batteries from IKEA before, but I do appreciate that they're just sold right beside the battery operated candles, so you can just get everything at once. They have like a little symbol on them that shows like a timer, so I think these are the right ones for the candles. I also picked up this jug right here, and I pretty much bought this because I really like the color, and I think it had that tag on it that said this is the lowest price it will ever be. I thought it's a really great material for outside, and I just wanted to provide some extra like entertaining kind of outdoor items for this backyard makeover as well, so I thought this would be a nice addition. So this is considered a vacuum seal flask, and it's actually meant for hot or cool, so I think that's really cool if you want to put coffee inside or cold water, whatever it is. The inside of it is actually glass, so they say to be careful, like don't be sticking anything in it and like mixing really hard, because it could damage the inside. But other than that, I think it's a really great outdoor item. And the last thing I picked up was this 2x4 jute rug. So I really like this because it was black and jute, had a really nice stripe pattern to it, and it just looked minimal but modern, and I feel like it's really gonna match the vibe we're going with for this backyard. So I thought, since it's a 2x4, it's great for one of those double doors, sliding door kind of situations. If you want to put it inside or outside, it just fits really well with the length of a larger door. They have really great large 8x10 jute rugs, small ones, and I just think they have a lot of selection there. So if you're a jute rug lover, definitely check out IKEA if you haven't already. I'll have all these links down below as well, but that is pretty much it. Those are all the different items I picked up today from the outdoor collection. So some decorative things, some really useful things, and some things I was really going there to look for. I'll have all these different products linked down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I really am so excited to be able to go back shopping and bring you guys along with me. It's so much fun, and I know a lot of you guys probably haven't been to the store in a while and want to see what's out there. So if you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and comment down below what your favorite thing from this haul was, or from the whole video was. What would you pick up from IKEA for your outdoor space? If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any room makeover and home improvement videos. I have so many little projects coming up, so I can't wait to share those with you guys. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned on so you never miss those upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!